We've been working on this project to try to get solar for Morningstar for about 4 years. When we first looked at the project, it was just much more than we could handle as far as the overall cost. Just this last year, I took another pass at it and found that we could make the numbers work. We had accepted that we would have about a 7-year payback, till the actual break-even point without the REAP grant. With the REAP grant, it brought the payback down to about 4 years. What we have is 160 kilowatts DC, which is about 130 kilowatts of AC as a total installed power. Based on an average year of sunlight, snow cover, etc., we should be producing 171,000 kilowatt hours per year, which is 92% of Morningstar's historic power usage. I think businesses have the capital and customers have the interest in patronizing businesses that are thinking long-term. I want to be a part of the solution, and you'll interview or talk to any Morningstar employee and they perfectly understand that we're all about being a part of the solution. And climate change is real. I think the time to start is now, and the time to start big is now.